Okay, let's start with Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a time when you organized a happy event successfully. So, please, over to you.
I love to organize events. There are a plethora of events that are organized in my life. But here I would like to talk about annual dinner that I was organized last year in my university. Basically, I was vice president of Rover Club in my university, and it's a tradition our university to organize annual dinner for the final year student. So to organize this event, first of all, I talk about my first friend. Basically, he was event organizer manager at Per Continent Hotel. So he has a lot of experience how to organize a very successful event. So I take lot of suggestion how to I organize events. So after that, I also take a lot of help from my friends as well as my teachers, and most of the help in this event, the advisor of the club, Dr. Asad Yaqub sahab, because he have a lot of experience last 15 years. So at the end I feel so much excited because I organized this event so much
Okay,
successfully.
thank you so much. Overall, it's fine, but there are several grammatical mistakes. Like you said, I was organized.
Okay.
I was organized means someone organized you.
Okay.
Okay, yeah,
Yes.
so it's not I was organized, I organized the events, or
Okay.
events were organized by me.
Okay.
Okay, then you said I take lot of something like suggestion, so
Okay.
it should have been I took suggestion, or my senior suggested me. Then you said he have, it should be he has. Then you said I feel excited, it should
Okay.
have been I felt excited.
I felt.
So you have to brush up your tenses,
Okay, sir.
basic tenses. Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
we move on to speaking part 3. Do you dance whenever there is a happy event?
No, I do not any dance in
Why are you
my
dancing now? I do not
because
dance. Okay.
no, I think it's dance is not for me, and I try one or two times, but I feel not good.
All right. Why do people play loud music on happy events?
I think they want to more successful that event, because when they listen loud music, they also boost their energy and feel so much energetic. So that is why they use loud music in the
Okay.
events.
Overall, it's good. You just need to brush up your basic tenses
Okay, sir.
and then you're good to go.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you.